The overall goal of the following procedure is to demonstrate the labeling of a ligand with the radionuclide fluorine-18, or F18, using silicon fluoride acceptor compounds, hereafter referred to as SiFAs. Labeling a ligand with F18 and injecting it into the body enables the imaging of numerous diseases with positron emission tomography, or PET.
Fluorine-18 is among the most important radionuclides for PET imaging. It has a half-life of 109 minutes, and 97% of its decay is by positron emission, making it nearly perfect for PET imaging. Peptides and proteins are especially difficult to label with F18 because they require building blocks formed by multi-step synthesis. Otherwise, macromolecules would constitute a large proportion of available PET tracers. To reduce the complexity of F18 radiolabeling, silicon fluoride acceptors were introduced as a reliable tool.
The SiFA group consists of a central silicon atom connected to two tertiary butyl groups, a derivatized phenyl moiety, and a fluorine atom. The two tertiary butyl groups impart hydrolytic stability to the silicon fluoride bond, which is a critical feature for in vivo applications of SiFA conjugates as imaging agents. The phenyl moiety acts as a linker between the radionuclide and biologically active molecule, represented as R in this diagram. When attached to a biomolecule, the SiFA building blocks readily exchange fluorine-19 for radioactive fluorine-18 due to the low activation energy of the isotopic exchange reaction. The labeling precursor and F18 labeled compound are chemically identical, which makes purification relatively simple. The non-canonical isotopic exchange labeling technique used with SiFA is also on